Ever gone into a shop, let's say, and you've seen something you like and you wanted to pay for it, but they don't take your method of payment? For example, either the right card, you haven't got the right card, or for some strange reason they only take cash, just anything like that. And you've walked away and you've kept your money in your pocket. Now, the thing is this, just by doing that alone, you're going to lose loads and loads of sales. Online, especially online, if you don't give people more than one way to pay, you are going to lose customers right, left and centre. And you're going to leave loads and loads of money on the table. The average cart abandonment rate is something like about 80%. So in other words, out of 100 people that go to your checkout page, 80 of them will not take any further action. Only 20%, thereabouts, are going to actually follow through and pay for the product or service that you've got on offer. Now, you don't really want to sort of help them to decide to go away. You want to help them decide to pay. So the more ways you've got for them to pay. So if they can pay by credit card, debit card, yeah, different kinds of credit debit, include PayPal in that as well. And you've got half a chance of getting someone to actually go through with their purchase. So remember, as many ways for people to pay as is feasible for you. Hope you enjoyed that. 3, 2, 1. Hope you enjoyed that.